Hey, this is Sicarius. Welcome. Hey, kitty. He wants off my bed. Come here. Come here. This is Sicarius. Welcome. I'm just gonna take a picture video of Lex. Hey, buddy. Hey, stay still for the camera. My 360's in the way. I don't want to turn on. Yeah, he's a nice kitty. Very nice. He loves to be pet. Sorry, I was blowing it off by 360 PDS. I'll say 360. He loves it on the cheek, side of the head, pretty much. See, he goes right into it. Got a scratch. His favorite spot is beside his cheek. Alright, let's hear him. He's just Mr. Wanna be pet all the time. I say Mr. Cuddles, but I guess that'd be true, I guess. He's Mr. Cuddles. But his name's Lex. Can't kind of see my hand is because I'm looking at the camera. He's a suck up. He just loves to be a lot of attention on him. I wonder if he likes string. I don't really have any strings like this. Let's just use it. Hold on. Cat means string. No, doesn't like the string. Well, it's not like string, but it's the same thing, isn't it? I guess he's not used to chasing string, because I don't know, the upstairs, I guess they haven't taught him to chase string. Oh, sorry, bash your nose a little bit. And this is Lex the cat. Say bye, Lex.